Welcome to this maths lesson on fractions. So fractions are equal parts of a whole. So this particular diagram here, this shows 1/10 or 1/10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rectangular boxes here. And one of the rectangular boxes is shaded blue, which means 1/10 of the fraction is shaded blue. And we write 1/10 like this as a fraction. So 1 goes at the top over 10, which means the total number of boxes. We have another example here on the right hand side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sweets. And of those 6 sweets, 2 have actually been circled. So that means, let's write this down for you. So that means 2 over 6 sweets have a circle around them. So 2 over 6 sweets have a circle around them, okay? So in this case, we can just draw circles around the 2 sweets each. Here we go, all right? So now we have what we say 3 groups of sweets altogether, of which one of the groups was actually circled. And that's how we get 1/3 of a fraction as our answer. And 1/3 of 6, so 1/3 of 6 sweets will equals to 2 altogether. How can we do this? Well, what we can do is we can divide this number. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then 2 multiplied the top number gives us 2. That's another way of calculating fractions in this case. Let's have a look at the first example in front of us. So what fraction of the given shape is shaded? What fraction of the given shape is shaded? So in total here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, of which 1 out of 4 is shaded. So we will go for 1/4 in this case as our correct option. So you have to do the same thing. Look at the fractions, decide which one is correct, and we'll go over all of these questions in our follow-up class. Thank you.